This paper presents frozen time theory, FTT, as a theory of experienced reality. FTT begins from a tension at the heart of modern physics. General relativity treats time as geometry, while quantum mechanics requires time as a parameter. Canonical quantum gravity suggests timelessness, yet lived experience insists upon flow. FTT reconciles these contradictions by positing a timeless ensemble of frozen frames, each complete with physical records. The flow of time is not physical but arises from consciousness, the consciousness selection bridge, CSB, which orders frames into a narrative sequence. This move reframes physics. The observer and the world are mirrors of one structure. Separation is an emergent artifact of record stability and decoherence. What we call multiple observers are vantage points of one consciousness selector experiencing the same frame from different perspectives. Consensus reality is the alignment of these vantage points. Divergences, for example the Mandela effect, arise when subsets align with neighboring frames. At the frontier of physics, the greatest unresolved tension is not a particle or a force but time itself. General relativity fuses time with space into geometry. The river of time is replaced by the static fabric of spacetime. Quantum theory, in contrast, requires time as an external parameter. Canonical quantum gravity deepens the problem. The Wheeler-DeWitt equation has no time variable at all. Meanwhile, lived experience insists that time flows. We experience a single present, remember a past, and anticipate a future. Physics describes a frozen architecture. Consciousness demands a moving story. This is not a minor technical difficulty. It is the central conceptual fissure in modern thought. Frozen time theory, FTT, addresses this fissure directly by proposing that reality is a timeless ensemble of frames, while consciousness orders these frames into a narrative. This is a Copernican moment. Time and self are no longer central, but emergent illusions. The Copernican insight is that observer and world are not separate. The world is the ensemble of frozen frames, the observer is the ordering of those frames into experience. FTT unifies physics and lived experience. Separation is illusion, time is illusion, consensus is contingent, and reality is reflexive. This Copernican shift reframes the observer and the world as mirrors of one structure. We are not passengers in time. We are choosers of moments in a frozen field of possibility. The universe experiences itself through us.